Hello everyone. Today we have Play-doh surprises. Let's find out what's inside those Play-dohs. We have blue, orange, green, purple, and one surprise box. Let's open this one first. Guess what? Let's find out what's inside of this. Do you have any idea? Okay, let's find out. Let's open it. You can see the red boots there. Oh, it's Superman. See that? Yes, cape. Okay. The next one, the orange. Let's find out what's inside the Play-doh. Black boots. Oh, it's Batman. See that? It's beautiful again. With cape. It's a nice cape. Hi Superman. Hi Batman. How are you? We're okay? Okay, let's save the world. We have the third box. It's in green Play-doh. Let's find out. That's a surprise. Oh, it's Green Lantern. We have Green Lantern here. Beautiful. The last one, or the penultimate, it's, guess what? It's the Hulk. Let's see. These are the superheroes. It's the Hulk man. They're ready to save the world. Nice one. We have Batman, Green Lantern, Superman. Okay, we have another egg surprise here. It's the pet of Superman. There. It has its own cape too. And this is the for Hulk man. Superman, Green Lantern. How are you, my friend? Ready to serve the people 24 hours. Me too. Don't forget us. I'm the Hope Man. And this is Batman. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy opening the Play-doh surprises egg. Bye for now. See you next time. Let's go, Batman.